France is famous for many things, and food is certainly one of them. When you visit Paris, there are some dishes you absolutely must try. Let me guide you through the top 10 foods you shouldn't miss, along with some great places to enjoy them. First on the list is French onion soup. This classic dish is rich and flavorful, with broth that's been slow cooked for hours, topped with crusty bread and a generous layer of melted cheese. Originally served to sober up partygoers in the early morning, it's now a staple of French cuisine. My favorite spot for this is Le Jacobin in Saint-Germain. Next, you have to try escargot and frog legs. Yes, the French really do eat snails and frogs, and they've been doing so for centuries. Escargot, typically served in garlic and butter, has a texture similar to clams, while frog legs taste a bit like chicken. Head to L'Escargot de Montorgueil for a true Parisian experience. Another must-visit is a boulangerie. French bakeries are something special, and once you try a freshly baked baguette or croissant, you'll understand why. Whether you're craving a croissant, pain au chocolat, or a sandwich, there's nothing quite like a French boulangerie. Stop by any local spot and treat yourself. Fourth, don't miss foie gras and pâté. Foie gras is a delicacy with a subtle, rich taste, best enjoyed with a slice of bread and a glass of wine. Pâté, on the other hand, is a heartier country-style meat dish. You can find both at restaurants or pick them up from a local charcuterie for a picnic at the Eiffel Tower. When in Paris, you also need to experience cheese and charcuterie. French people love their aperitifs, and there's no better time to indulge in some cheese and cured meats than during the evening. Order on a platter of charcuterie, with a selection of cheeses, hams, and sausages paired with wine at a cozy bistro. Now, it wouldn't be a trip to Paris without trying crepes. There are sweet crepes filled with Nutella or caramelized butter, and savory galettes with ham, cheese, and more. Whether as a dessert or a meal, crepes are a Parisian must-try, and you can find them almost anywhere in the city. For seafood lovers, moules frites, mussels and fries, are a fun and flavorful dish. Served in a variety of sauces, from white wine to cream or mustard, mussels are paired with fries for a perfect combination. Another indulgent treat is profiteroles au chocolat, puff pastries filled with vanilla ice cream and topped with hot melted chocolate. It's simple, yet divine. Ninth on the list is duck, particularly duck confit. This slow-roasted tender dish is a French staple, often served with vegetables. My favorite place for duck confit is Chez Germain, also in Saint-Germain. Finally, try fondue or raclette. These hearty, cheese-filled meals are perfect for colder months, but you can enjoy them year-round. Raclette is melted cheese poured over cured meats and potatoes, while fondue lets you dip bread into a pot of melted cheese. Visit La Marmotte for one of the best fondues in Paris. As a bonus, don't forget to try chocolate. French chocolate is on a whole different level, and Jacques Génin is my favorite chocolatier for an unforgettable treat. So, when you're in Paris, these are the top 10 dishes you absolutely must try. Enjoy your culinary journey.